Hello guys and welcome to the channel. You are watching Slick Tech X and today I have something for my fellow gamers and for those who like to stream and produce using the same machine to create their slick montages later on. Yes, we are talking about a monitor which we are going to both unbox and review. In the end, we will even have a look at some of the other monitors and find out if there are better value for money option out there. Let's do it.
Now we all love gaming, and to have a proper gaming experience, you need the right gears. Obviously, you can get all you want if you throw your money at it, but we are talking about this bad boy, the champ of value for money in 2023. This is the LG UltraGear 24GN65R. Getting the Amazon packaging out of the way, make sure you open the box from the right direction, look for the mark on the box and switch to the other side which says open here. First out is the base in black and red with two screws to tighten it to the stand. Next is the stand itself, which has a nice weight to it and looks quite sturdy. Putting the protective cover away, the stand comes in a nice black look with red accents on the cable management slot, with UltraGear branding at the bottom. Next we have some paperwork having general information, assembly instruction, warranty card and a display quality instruction report which shows that the display is calibrated before factory release to provide high picture quality. Last we have the power adapter with a decent size cord and a HDMI cable which does support 144Hz, so you don't have to buy anything separately. Now let's get the polystyrene out of the way and take out the display. The display's back side comes in the signature red and black UltraGear aesthetics. Turning it around, we see the 23.8-inch Full HD display, which I think is the right resolution to size combination. I personally always recommend a Full HD till 24-inch, QHD below 32-inch and UHD for 32-inch and above size displays. At the bottom, you can see provision for Kensington lock and a button to go into the LG screen monitor settings, which we'll cover later on. Putting everything together, this is how it looks, but let's add some vibe and make it look game ready. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let's now go through some specifications. LG has thrown at us all the specs that you would search when you are considering a gaming monitor, in addition to something for creators. Starting with the display, this is a 1080p 16:9 8-bit IPS panel with 1 millisecond gray to gray response time and 144Hz refresh rate. Monitor also comes with AMD FreeSync Premium but not the G-Sync. However, LG has introduced something called Adaptive Sync which would work similar to G-Sync and give you the necessary boost. Display supports HDR10 with peak brightness of 300 nits and covers 99% sRGB color gamut, giving you the color accuracy you need for your photo and video editing needs. It has a HDMI 2.0 port and a display port, both of which are capable of delivering 144Hz refresh rate. LG is offering a lot of features with this monitor like black stabilizer, reader mode, motion blur reduction, crosshair, controlled through the LG Screen Manager software, which will improve your overall experience while watching content, editing videos and playing games. The viewing angles are also great, covering 178 degrees field of view. Let's talk now about the stand. It is a 2.2 kg tilt, pivot, height adjustable stand and is among the sturdiest stands you will find on a monitor. The total weight of the monitor plus the stand comes at around 5.6 kgs. If you are seeing 60Hz on your screen, you can go to display settings, advanced display, then select your monitor and choose your refresh rate. Click on keep to save the changes. The monitor doesn't come with speakers but has a headphone out port, which anyway you will never use, as you can take direct output from your desktop or laptop, which will give you much better audio experience. Now I also ran some games on this and the monitor performed well, giving the promised 144Hz and a response time varying from 1 to 5 milliseconds. The display is both bright and big for both gaming and editing videos and has very minimal bleeding given the price point. The monitor's current listed price on Amazon is $13,000, but with card or other offers and Diwali sale coming shortly as well, you should be able to get it around $12,000 or even cheaper. Maybe inquire some local shops and see if you can get further discounts. Considering everything I just said, I personally found this monitor to be the best value for money option out there, and I can happily recommend this monitor to anyone with the budget of $12,000 and you won't regret it. However, if you are looking to buy a certain brand, then I have a list of other monitors with almost the same specs and come somewhere between $12,000 to $16,000. The price I will be mentioning is the current listed price on Amazon, but with offers and sales you can get them for even lesser price. Starting with the ViewSonic, you have two options, one with flat screen which comes around $12,000 and the other curved display which comes at $13,500. In BenQ, you have the Mobius series monitor which comes around 13,500. Third option is the Acer, in which you can choose either the 31.5 inch for 15,000 or 27 inch for 13,000. Next we have MSI Optics, which comes at around 15,000. And at last we have the Acer Stuff monitor, which is around 16,000 price mark.
Alright, that's it for today. I hope this video helps you in choosing the right monitor. I will see you in the next one. Cheers!